Hello! In this ActiveAhead training video, we're going to show you how to use the network level operations that the ActiveAhead system allows you to use. And the uniqueness of ActiveAhead is that all the ActiveAhead nodes, they reside in one and the same mesh network, the BLE-based mesh network. So when you connect with the app, you can see the surrounding configurations that there may be in the ActiveAhead network. But in addition, you can also then utilize the network level operations to target either whole of the network or certain parts of the network. And in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use those features. So, in order to get access to the network, we select the network option from the top header here. Now, when I hit identify from here, you can see that all the lights near us are basically identifying themselves. But if I use some filters here, say 4th floor and corridor, you can see what will happen when I now hit the identify button. Now only the corridor lights will identify themselves. And that's because we have a group on this corridor, and so the nodes know that they have a corridor group. So when they see a targeted kind of a message, they will know that, hey, this is for us to execute. These, of course, can also be then used to set parameters, for example, to these devices. And when, let's say, we want to change the power save level to 25%, let's say so, or 30 in this case, and leave the others untouched, what will happen now is that only the 4th floor corridor luminaires will accept that and now change their power save level to 30%, leaving all the other parameters untouched. Now if you want to do some building level operations, and see that all the luminaires in the building will accept and receive your configurations, what you can do to help and make your job easier is to go to the main view and from the settings change the identify timeout. Now if we set something like roughly 40 seconds, what will now happen is that if you would now set a parameter to, for example, even whole building, you can start walking through the building to see that if there are any lights which are not responding. And then you can hit and send the message again and continue walking through the building. So that's when you can, very simple terms, check that all the luminaires in the building has received and accepted the given new parameters. So instead of going through every single device or group in the building, you can see this by visually checking that all lights are blinking. That's how it is in ActiveAhead, how easy it is to utilize the network level operations. Thank you.